Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll consider sticking around and subscribing for weekly videos. So if you watched my Erin Condren unboxing of the new A5 agenda, I did mention that I placed an order and I was waiting for it to arrive so I can officially set that planner up, and it's finally here, and it is from Fancy Plans Co. And I've ordered from their shop before, so I knew right away what shop I wanted to buy all of my A5 inserts and goodies from. So it's finally here and I'm super excited because I can't wait any longer to start setting up my Erin Condren A5 agenda. So let's take a look. All right, so of course most of their stuff is pretty neutral, and that's exactly what drew me to their shop in the first place. And if you didn't know, AtHomeWithQuita is the one that owns this company. So let's see what's in here. So I did grab a clear 6-inch ruler. I think these are just fabulous and just the perfect size when you need something to cut your washi with, or stickers or anything like that. So I picked up one of these. I also grabbed, I think this is the invoice. So let's see. I also grabbed this checklist washi. I don't know, I just thought it would be a cute little addition. In case I do want to add some sort of checklist, and instead of it being a sticker, it's washi tape. So I love this, and the fact that it's black and white, of course. So here we have, oh, these are their, I believe these are some of their quote cards. And I did get them in the metallic mauve. And it just has some cute little quotes, because I plan to put these on a dashboard and have this be just super cute addition, and then some motivational quotes as well. So I did grab them in this color. I just thought they would stand out and match really well with the Erin Condren A5 agenda. So then let's see. I did grab this little sticky notes, I believe. And I love the colors in this one. They have grays and pinks and white and this brown color, so I love this one. And I thought I grabbed another one, maybe I'll find it somewhere else, but like, how cute is this? Because I'm going to be making my own dashboards, just like she shows on her YouTube channel how to set these up. So I fell in love with that whole method, and it's just, it makes your planner look really cute, but super functional at the same time. So let's see. These are the adhesive pockets, so I can put these in there. So see how perfect this is? And then I'll just put it on the dashboard and have that little reminder. So that's what this one is for. And then I did grab some of these little tabs so I can label them. So I wasn't sure which size was going to look the best, so I did grab a smaller one and a bigger one. So we'll see which one works out better. And then I did grab these pockets as well. So they're a little bit bigger than this one. I believe this one's like the credit card size, and I think 2 of these fit here, just barely. So depending on what look you're going for, you just choose the pocket that you want. So I grabbed those, And then, oh yes, so with this one, I always feel like if you're going to use a daily planner, you still need some sort of weekly overall view, and the Erin Condren does not have that. So I thought about popping these in for every week and having that weekly overview. And I know it says to clean, but I can just cover that up and then just simply a rundown of my weekly overview. So that's why I picked these ones up. And then I did get some filler paper because I just felt that I needed a little section for note-taking, extra notes before officially transferring it over to my weekly schedule, daily schedule, whatever it may be. I felt that I needed some of these. So there's that one. And then I did start using Afterpay, so that's been fun. I've been ordering a lot of items lately, so this is a great way to track that. So I did pick up a few sheets of this one, and it's double-sided, so I'm going to be filling this up really quick. It's just so convenient. So then I picked up these mauve dashboards as well. So it matches so well with this one, and I am in love with this. I love how it's metallic. It's a pinkish color, and this one says brain dump. And then we have personal. Then we have weekly, home, wellness, and lists. So I am super excited to be adding these to the planner. I think it'll just add more of a pink color and divide my planner into categories as well. So I am super happy with these. I'm glad I went with this color because I was thinking about using their white one. So I'm glad that I did use that. And so this is the dashboard where I will be adding these little cards. So after I add them onto the sleeve, I'm then going to put the sleeve on here and just have all those motivational quotes as a dashboard. So stay tuned for when I set all of these goodies up. So then I usually don't write my name in my planner. I just feel like I don't have the best handwriting and I don't want to mess it up. So what I ended up doing with my mini happy planner is adding these two vellums to it. And it's just layered with my name and then this floral one. So layered together, it just looks so beautiful, and I'd rather have this as my name page than having to write it. It just adds personalization and it just looks super cute. So that's the plan with this one. And then of course I did grab some dividers as well. So they're just frosted and there's 6 here. So then that's where these little tabs are going to come in and just see which one looks best. So I grabbed the side ones and then I also grabbed the top ones. So both of these, because then I'm going to layer it with this one. I'm going to do a whole lot of layering and just trying to make it look cute and nice. So because this one didn't have tabs, I'm going to be using these ones for the tabs. So this one says brain dump. So then I would label that one with brain dump. So like it's right either here or here, depending on what size I want to use. So it's going to be a lot of layering and I cannot wait to get started. So the side tabs and then the top tabs as well. And then I did pick up the covers. And I know it's going to be in the agenda, but I felt it needed just some sort of extra protection. So it's not damaging anything, like say this vellum. So I'll have one of these, the front cover, and then the vellum, and that way it protects it from the agenda itself with all the pockets and the sticky notes. So that's why I got this one, and I believe that is it. Like, I am super excited. Here is all of the information if you want to check them out. I just love this shop. I love how neutral everything is. So right away, I knew what shop I wanted to shop with when I knew that I wanted to set up my A5 agenda. Everything is just so neutral and so pretty. So I'm super excited about everything that I picked up. And make sure you guys are subscribed and you have your notification bell on, because I believe the next video is going to be me setting up my Erin Condren A5 agenda with all of these goodies. So I'm super excited about that, and I cannot wait to get started. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.